Namaste. We all have started delivering our lectures online. Today in this micro-learning series, I have brought a small trick for the facilitators. Micro-learning means bite-sized learning, which means within 3 minutes you learn one skill. Here I have created one class or one meeting as a facilitator on the right hand side, and I also have joined as a student or as a participant on the left hand side. Now I am going to present a document to all the students. I will never present my entire screen because I am going to do something more on the screen. So I am going to present a window, and window is my slideshow. And when I say allow, see what students are able to see on their screen. This is what they are able to see on their screen, and this is my window. This is the students window and this is my window. Now here is my slide deck which I am using currently. Now when I go to my slideshow on my screen, here what I am using for the students. But not only this, I also have opened many other tabs too. It can be a PDF document, it can be a Microsoft Word document, it can be a web page or anything. It can be my notes while presenting my screen to the audience. But audience will never be bothered about it because I have kept this full screen presentation in a small window. It is very handy and very useful for the facilitators, because if they want to refer a note while presenting, while conducting the class, students will never be bothered about other things what you are referring to. So how to do that? You simply have to make a small change in your presentation. Go to your slide deck, slideshow, and set up slideshow here. Open it. By default it is selected presented by a speaker full screen, but you don't select the by default setting. You make browsed by an individual window and click OK. Now in whatever mode, if you press F5 or the full screen mode, it will go to the students in full screen mode, but here you can have that full screen mode a small window. Then you can open the chat boxes, you can keep an eye on the chat box also, what students are asking, what students are talking. You can refer your notes, you can have any other resource for your references, and so on and so forth. I'm sure by using this you would be able to achieve much better result and deliver the lecture more efficiently. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon in next bite-sized learning.